Okay guys, good evening, good afternoon, or good morning to everyone. I uploaded this video because it's the very first time that we install a CCTV to our house. And as you can see, ito ay sa loob ng aming sala. Ngayon, it was around 1:40 a.m. and our new installed CCTV camera has a motion detector. So, dito makikita nyo at dun sa ibaba or below or down at the screen, the camera captured something. Look at that. Boom. So at the first glance, kala mo parang camera glitch or what, but then we watch while we're working because we're call center. So you can see the camera is detecting something. So, ayan, parang may nakatayo dyan. Ayan yung orb. So, nadedetect yan ng camera. So, para din siyang nakatingin dun sa CCTV. Yung orb na yan, no? Pag high brightness ka. And then, as you can see, talagang nakabukas yung ilaw ng CCTV. Pero yung nakita nyo, sa ilaw dun sa labas, that's the kitchen. Pero, sira lang yung ilaw doon, pero that's not the object na nadedetect ng camera. So mapapansin nyo, naka-focus pa rin siya dito kasi parang yan yung last na may gumalaw, right? Na may object na gumalaw or may nadetect siya, and then until it will move again to, there you go, yan, no? Oh, dami. So that day we were able to count at least 4 of orbs, and then one like looked like a person or something. So nag-aantay pa rin ako ng confirmation ng mga expert, no? But I already asked my pastor, and he said that this is something like a ghost or evil na naghahanap ng pagsasabihan or ng sasabihan niya, which right now they are playing around. So creepy, pero I hope you enjoy this, guys, somehow. Bye bye.